Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're breaking down a huge concept in drug manufacturing, validation.
So, how do drug companies guarantee that every single pill is perfect and safe?
Well, you don't just test at the end. The FDA is clear. Quality has to be built right in.
We're going to break this down into 5 parts to see how it all works. Let's get into it.
Let's start with a simple idea. Think about baking a cake. How do you prove the recipe works every time?
In medicine, that proof is called validation. It's documented, scientific evidence that a process is consistent.
But validation isn't just one thing. It's actually an umbrella term for a bunch of different areas. The big 3 you'll hear about are process, analytical method, and computer system validation. So what's the common thread here? It all comes down to something called qualification.
Qualification is all about proving equipment is fit for purpose, and it happens in 4 key steps.
First up, design qualification, or DQ. Did we design the right thing from the get-go?
Then, installation qualification, IQ. Is the equipment installed exactly how we designed it?
After that, operational qualification, or OQ. Here we're testing to see if it works correctly.
And finally, performance qualification, or PQ. This proves it can do the job, consistently, for real.
Okay, so what does this look like in the real world? Let's take a look.
For example, this table shows exactly what you need to validate for different lab tests.
Now, this isn't a one-and-done thing. Validation is a whole life cycle.
The FDA actually breaks this into 3 stages: design, qualification, and then ongoing verification. The bottom line, you have to maintain that validated state. It's an ongoing job.